Introducing the new DEWALT Jobsite table saw. Featuring a lightweight and compact design, the saw is designed to be easily transported. The saw has a rip capacity of 32.5 inches to the right side of the blade, provided by a patented rack and pinion telescoping rail system, which allows you to cut larger material compared to previous DEWALT table saws without sacrificing portability. The design also provides convenient onboard storage for accessories, making them easily accessible. The modular guard design makes installation of the guarding components quick and easy. DEWALT has also designed a new roll cage frame to withstand tough job site conditions, which demand DEWALT durability. The DEWALT DWE7491RS provides workshop capacity and job site power to meet the user's needs.